Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Actually, we have discussed about arithmetical operators in previous session. We are going to discuss all other operators in this session. I just, I think I want to cover all other operators in this session only because yeah, I will. Actually, we don't need to specify more time on this operator session because we will we will get to know about these operators in further topics. That's why I'm going to come. Just I want to complete this session as much as possible, as early as possible. I will complete this. Just see, guys. When we want to actually we had discussed about arithmetical operators in previous session, right? Now in this session, I'm going to tell you about logical operators right now. Yeah, actually, I, I want to tell you about logical operators in this session. So, I want to create a table like STD means student table with having ID, name, and marks column. Yeah, but I don't need this table permanently. That's why I have created this table as a like uh, like temporary table. That's why I have declared here the pound symbol, yeah, as a pound symbol, and I have created already this table. Just see here. Actually, ID, name, marks column are here, but there is no data in the table. So I am going to insert data into this temporary STD table with multiple columns insertion manner. I'm going to execute it. Yeah, it's executed. 4 rows affected and 4 rows affected. So now see what's the result here. Yeah, A is 99.5 marks and B got 92.5 marks and C 62.5 marks. Again, all are having their data in this STD table. Yeah. Now, just what is I want to what is I want to tell you is actually the logical operators are three actually. Those are one is AND, second one is OR, and last one is NOT. These operators compare two conditions at a time. Suppose just I want to retrieve data like when you want to retrieve whole data from a table, you can write query like select star from STD, right? When you want to execute, the whole data will come here. But just I want to retrieve the data like who are having marks greater than 90 marks. Then definitely we have to write like with using when clause, and we have to write condition here like marks column who's having marks greater than 90. Sorry, when where class. Yeah, you have to write where class, but unfortunately, I have written like one class. Sorry for that. I'm going to execute this. Just see, guys, what will happen here in result page. Yeah, actually, when we want to retrieve whole table data, it will give whole data in which are executed, but there is no filter data here. But when we want to apply condition with where class, then it will retrieve the data when condition satisfied, right? Here what is the condition, whose marks are greater than 90, those data only I want to retrieve. So we can write conditions like conditions. This whole part is considered as a condition, guys. Yeah, when we want to write condition, it must preceded by where only. It must followed by where only. Actually, sorry. So when we want to apply, like this time I don't want to retrieve data like yeah, who are having more than 90 marks and who are less than 40 marks. Just I want to retrieve data like who are between who are uh, who are having marks between 40 to like 35 to 90. that that type of people's data only I need this time. Now, then what I have to do now? We have to apply two conditions actually. But when you want to apply two conditions here, then then definitely you have to use logical operators. Logical operators. Yeah, you can tell the interviewer like when we want to apply more than actually more than one condition in any single query, then we have to use a logical operator. Those logical operators maybe n or not. What if suppose what n logical operator will do? We will see here. Okay. Actually, I don't need guys who are having more than 90 marks. So I am not, I removed I have removed that. Yeah, wow, what is that? What I am doing? Shift. This time I need who are having marks below 90 and one more condition. When we want to apply more than one condition, then we need use a logical operator. It might be and it might be or it might be not. Okay. The AND operator will give us, see guys, who are having 35 marks. Okay, this time this is the result, right? In this result table, we don't have the guys who are having marks below 35 and who are having marks greater than 90. Okay, this logical operators will helpful to us like this. Okay, when we want to write end, it will give the result set like when we want to use AND operator, the before the left side condition also must be true, and the right side condition must be true. Otherwise, we cannot get data like, see, actually left side actually I am giving right side condition like who are having marks greater than 100. I want to retrieve that their data. Tell me guys, actually I want to retrieve data like below 90 and greater than 100. Is it possible? No. That's why we didn't get any data here. Right? So it must be right side, the right side of the AND logical operator, the right side condition of the AND operator and the left side condition of the AND operator must be true. Otherwise, we cannot get data. We cannot retrieve any data here. So that doesn't mean before, but when I write like here, there is a meaning. There is a meaning to this query because that many people are having more than 35 and below 90 marks. Those people are all come under this session, come under this type of query. Okay, that's why the end logical operator when we want to apply AND logical operator, we must use true and true. Then only answer must be true. Otherwise, any one of condition is here false. If any one condition is false here, then we cannot get data. Okay, because the final result set is not a true, right? That's why we cannot retrieve data. If any one of these condition, it might be false. Okay. Then now I am going to tell you about R operator, because we have logical operator. When, sorry guys, sorry, I'm going to pause. Okay, sorry for the interruption, guys. And R and not, these three operators and are not operators are called as logical operators. We have discussed about AND operator in this query. The left side of the left and right side conditions must be true. Then only we can retrieve the data. Otherwise, we cannot retrieve the data. Because suppose I wrote like this. Actually, there is no students having more than 100 marks. So this condition is false. When any one of the condition is false, then the final result is also false. So we cannot retrieve the data from the table when we want to write like this query. So okay, if you write like this query, suppose I want to write 89 above and 90 below. It means definitely there is no meaning here. Okay, I want to retrieve data like who are having marks greater than 88 and below 90. It means 89. Who are having exactly 89 marks. The, yeah, 99, 89. Yeah, triple E 89.5 marks here. So he will retrieve that. He can be retrieved here. You guys, yeah, 89.5. Okay. There is a student with there is a student satisfied these two conditions. That's why we got data. And this time I want to retrieve data like select star from std. Std means student, where marks either greater than 90, I mean less than, sorry, less than 90, or how can I say that, less than 90, or okay, suppose marks greater than 100. Actually, there is no people in this table having more than 100 marks, but I wrote condition like this right side of condition, the right side of conditions of our logical operator, this final result is false because there is no student having marks more than 100. So it is a false. Okay, I am writing here. Second, the right side of operator is false. Left side operator is, there is many people are there who are having less than 90 marks. So it is true. We can retrieve data by left side condition of the R operator. Okay. So it is a true, it is a false. Then in case of AND operator, the final result is false. But here, when we want to use R logical operator, the final result is true. Any one of, actually, the R operator, the R operator false or false. The both sides of conditions must be false, then only the final result is false. Otherwise remaining in all conditions we get true. We will get true in this condition only. F or F only we got final result like false. Okay. Now see guys, I am going to execute this. What will happen? We will get who are having marks less than 90. Actually A and B are having more than 90 marks, so we cannot get them, but remaining people will come under this query. Yes, see guys, actually 6 rows. These two people A and B are not here because they are having more than 90 marks, but we applied condition like I want to retrieve data like who are having less than of 90 marks. And also I want to retrieve data like who are having more than 100 marks. Then if this condition is true, then I want to get data, but here this condition is false, so we will get data. Which conditions satisfies the condition? Sorry, if it is if this condition satisfies the our data, then it will retrieve. Otherwise, we cannot get. So we can say like any one of condition is a true, the final result is true. We can retrieve data if it in this condition, in this type of condition. Okay, and now I am going to tell about not operator. Okay, select star from std, where actually previously I said like n, when we want to discuss about end and r operator, we must use two operators here, right? But when it comes to not operator, we don't need two conditions minimum. Actually, we can apply at single conditions also to this not operator, like where not marks 35. It means actually, guys, previously I said sorry. When we want to when we want to apply more conditions, like actually I said I have said before like when we want to apply, yeah, how could I say? Okay, when we want to apply to more than one condition, we must use logical operator. Previously I said like that, but actually that is not exactly right. When it comes to end and r operator, then only the statement will be true. But when come to not operator, that's not right. Okay, most of people will say like that. When we want to apply more conditions on a single query, then we must use logical operator. They will say like that. But when it comes to not operator, we don't need to apply more than two conditions. If you want to apply a single condition also, there is no problem. Actually, suppose assume that, guys, if I remove not here, what is this meaning actually? Actually, I want to retrieve data like who are having marks below 35. It means who guys are failed, that those people data I want to retrieve. But here, okay, suppose I want to put not logical operator here, okay, before condition and after where. Then what will happen here? What? Okay, actually I have to execute before say that. I'm going to execute, guys, because it is a condition. This line definitely will not execute. Okay, I'm going to execute it. See, guys, actually these two people are only having, F and G people are only having below 35. So these people are have failed in exam. Okay, but I want to write like query here. What will happen? See here, guys. Yeah, except those two people like F and G. So there is no F and G people are here. Okay, so what we can say like with not logical operator, it will opposite to, actually it is a opposite what to normal sentence. Okay, actually when we want to retrieve data before who are having more less than 35, it means who are have been failed in exam. They, if we want those people data only, then we can use without having not operator. When we want to put not operator here, then definitely this will turn into like here. Sorry, I can't say like that. Okay, I hope you have been you have been found this the difference between difference of not operator. Okay, I can assume that. Yeah, that's all for logical operator, guys. Because in coming sessions, definitely we will use this logical and arithmetic, all other operators also. We will use the all other operators in other in coming sessions. That's why we don't need more brief explanation here. We can stop this session here, and I will say comparison comparison operators by next session. Actually, I can continue this session. I can continue. Yeah, sorry. Actually, I can continue this session. I'm sorry. What I'm saying. Yeah. Mm. Actually, I can tell. I can. We can discuss about comparison, range, and string, all other operators in this session only. But if I do like if I want to teach all topics in this only session, this video length might be increased. So actually, fix. I, I want to fixate the length of every video. Uh, less than 30 minutes. That's why I'm going to stop this session here, and I will teach all other operators in next section. Thank you, guys. Thank you for being here, and thank you for attending my sessions. Okay, thank you.